Welcome 5th standard children. This is the continuation of your first lesson, that is the 5th video. Now in the last class I have explained to you all about grammar, isn't it? That is sentence. What is a sentence? I told you 4 types of sentence: statement, question, exclamatory and command. And also I told you about subject and predicate. All that I have explained in the last class. Now that based on this grammar you will be having again exercises to be done. That we will do it later. You all understand and keep the grammar. Now today I am going to do the worksheet on page 12 worksheet. That is, they have given words. You all have to put it correctly and write it in a sentence. The first one is, fierce looking and was the magician a man big. So you have to start with capital letter and end in a full stop. The magician was a big and fierce looking man. That is a sentence. Now the next one, picnic going a tomorrow are we on. We are going on a picnic tomorrow, full stop. You have to use capital letter at the beginning. Was boring a film, what it? What? And one exclamatory mark. It was a boring film. That's one exclamatory sentence. What? It was a boring film. The film boring. So what? Put an exclamatory mark and attend full stop. Then the next one, number 4. Run barefoot, don't about. Don't run about barefoot. So that is a question. Don't run. We can see that's a command also we can say. Don't run about barefoot. Don't run about barefoot. So that's a full stop. It's a command. Order. Now the last one. Sheena, when was her thrilled, was promoted brother. Sheena was thrilled when her brother was promoted. Full stop at the end. Now we will do K. Read these groups of words. Write S for subject, P for predicate and C if they are sentences. So 3 are there. That is S for subject, P for predicate and C for sentence. Now the first one, was coming home from school. So in that sentence you can understand there is no subject. Aaranu veetilekku vannathu schoolil ninnu. So nobody is there. So the subject is not there. So that's a predicate, P. Now the second one, the lioness and her cubs were hungry. Sadharana sentence, that's a usual sentence. The lioness and the cubs were hungry. Aaranunundu, ellandu, subject undu, predicate undu. So that's a complete sentence. So C. Laila likes to go trekking in the forest. Adum sadharana sentence. Laila, subject is there, likes, verb is there, to go trekking in the forest. That's a complete sentence. That's C. Then the next one, 4. The new factory near the stream. It's not complete. The new factory near the stream. So the new factory near the stream, not a factory near the stream. That I hope that's complete. The new factory near the stream. Pinna baki parayunnilla. So that's only subject. The new factory near the stream. Pinna endana oda predicate parayunnilla. So that's a subject. The deer were grazing peacefully. That's complete. The deer subject verunundu, were grazing peacefully, predicate verunundu. So that's C. 6th one, Pankaj, my brother. That's incomplete alle. Pankaj, my brother. Endu cheyidu, endu onnum parayunnilla. So that's only subject, S. Now the next one, number 7, go skiing in the Himalayas. Aru go skiing in the Himalayas. No subject there, only predicate. So P. The number 8, likes playing basketball. Adum subject illa. Aru likes playing basketball. So no subject there, only predicate. So P. Now number 9, the clear blue water. The clear blue water. എന്ത് ബാക്കിയൊന്നുമില്ല. So that's subject. The clear blue water. അത് മാത്രമില്ല. So that's subject. Number 10, the last one, came to take these books. ആര് വന്നു ബുക്സ് എടുക്കാൻ? Only came to take these books. That's predicate, P. Now the next one, number L, complete these sentences with suitable subject or predicates. The first one, 2 clouds, you have to complete it. So can you do by your own? 2 clouds were sailing in the sky. എന്തെങ്കിലും എഴുതാം. 2 clouds were sailing in the sky. Then number 2, the rain what? The rain began to pour heavily. നല്ല ശക്തിയിൽ മഴ പെയ്യാൻ തുടങ്ങി. The rain began to pour, P-O-U-R, heavily. Then the next one, flooded the playground. A subject നിങ്ങൾ എഴുതണം. What flooded the playground? The heavy rain flooded the playground. That you can write. Now the number 5 also no subject. Heard a lovely song. You can write anybody's name. Ravi heard a lovely song. Now number 6 also no subject. Went on all night. So you can write the guard. The guard went on all night. You can write. Now the number 7 also no subject. Is sitting on the roof. You can write the monkey is sitting on the roof. Now the next one, 8th one, subject is there. Jyotsna, subject is there, but nothing is. You can use your own predicate. Danced gracefully, anything you can write. Jyotsna danced gracefully. And if you want, you can add your own predicate. Now the next one, the last one, M. You can see a picture here. That I want you all to do by your own. And see, look at the picture and ask your partner. Now they are telling it's not a classroom, you are at home. You can think and do it. Write 5 sentences about it. Write them down. Now take turn at the subject. You have to use subject and predicate. That is complete sentence you have to write. 5 sentences you have to use and write this about this picture. Okay children, that's for today's class.